I've met so many people who feel sad because they can't figure out their purpose. Who told them that concept? Is it true that you have to have a life purpose? What if your purpose is being who you are each moment? One moment, your purpose might be to talk with a friend. Another moment, your purpose might be to eat something nourishing. And another moment, your purpose might be to create income, to pay your bills. What if whatever appears each moment is your purpose for that moment? When we believe that our purpose needs to be grand, or that we need to make a mark in the world, then we can set ourselves up for self-criticism and disappointment. However, if your purpose is to be famous, then every cell in your being will move you toward that experience. Consider the lilies of the field, how they grow. They do not toil, neither do they spin. Plants and animals and things in nature do not worry about their purpose, nor do they spin a story of the mind that it is possible to be worthless. They just do their job by being what they are each moment. What do you do naturally? Are you sharing your abilities with others? Notice the difference in how you feel when you change your focus from what I don't have to what I do have, and then look at how you can share the uniqueness that is you by volunteering, making new friends, creating an income, and so forth. Consider the possibility that your purpose is whatever appears each moment, and your interpretation of what appears creates your experience. This is important. The way your mind interprets things is the way you will experience it. Are you interpreting through a positive or negative filter? You can change the filters of your thinking if you want to. Life would not have created you unless you were needed exactly as you are. And all that you have experienced so far has been training for how you can share your uniqueness with others. It's up to you, however and wherever you are now. See what it feels like to live as though your purpose is whatever appears this moment. And thanks for being alive. You are an important part of the whole of creation.